everyone, my name is Adrienne. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I have 3 easy, budget-friendly, and delicious dishes for you this week. If you guys need dinner motivation and dinner inspiration to cook for your family more, hit that subscribe button. I got you covered. I am starting out this video with my crispy chicken salad. I am going to do some meal prep. This will be my lunch for the week. I will chop up this whole head of romaine and this iceberg. I will chop up my cucumber, radishes, and cilantro, and then I will drain and rinse a can of black beans. And I have this delicious corn salad that I made for a collab previously, and so I'm going to use that to make kind of like a southwestern barbecue chicken salad, and then I'll show you how I put my chicken together. Here's a look at the ingredients for my crispy chicken, as my kids call it. My kids are extremely picky, but one thing that they do like that I make is crispy chicken, and I usually make it with a combination of panko and flour, but today I'm going to be using these cornflake crumbs, and I'm hoping that they will like it. We shall see, who knows. I'm going to start by cracking an egg into my shallow dish and adding some milk. I'm using 2%, but you can use whatever you have in your refrigerator, and then I will use about 3/4 of a cup of my cornflake crumbs, and then 1 teaspoon each of this all-purpose seasoning and some ranch dressing mix, and then I will dredge my chicken first into the egg and then into the cornflake crumbs, really pressing into it, and I will set it on a wire rim rack. And then in a non-stick skillet, I'm heating up 1 tablespoon of oil, maybe 2 tablespoons of oil. You know what? 2, I use 2. And then I will pan fry it and then put it in a 350-degree oven until it's done, about 165, and then I will have plenty of chicken for my salads for the week. And I have to say, this was so good. My daughter didn't like it, but my son really liked it, and this was a new way to kind of make pan-fried chicken, which I make a lot, and I have to give it 2 thumbs up. It was really delicious. And now I'm going to assemble my salad. I am taking a combination of my romaine and iceberg, and then I will be adding in all the veggies that I chopped up earlier, and then my corn and black bean mixture, and then I have these really delicious tortilla strips that I will be adding, and then I'm using a cilantro lime salad dressing that is so good. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. And then I will cut my chicken up, and a really yummy hearty salad that will keep me full and happy, and yay, this was really yummy. My next meal is pork loin in the slow cooker. I have this already marinated pork loin and it's got lemon and garlic in it, and this is going to be really easy to sear in a skillet and then put it in my slow cooker and forget about it because I'm a busy mom and I need meals like this in my life. And then I am going to make these beans. I have no idea what these beans are. If you know what these beans are, I'd love to know. And I'm going to have my husband make his famous mashed potatoes. He added some chive and garlic, and oh my gosh, it was so good. So in a cast iron skillet, I added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, seared it on all sides, got it in my slow cooker, and added a 1/4 cup of water. And then I, later that day, after all I'm done schlepping the kids around, I made my beans, and they were so good. I used butter and garlic, and then these delicious mashed potatoes. Seriously, my husband makes the best mashed potatoes in the whole world. And this was our plate. Kids score, they hated it. I don't remember what they had this night, maybe eggs and fruit, but they weren't having it. And then my last meal for you this week is super easy. It's great for those really busy weeknights when you are just exhausted and need something quick to throw together. I am making some roast beef au jus sandwiches. Here's a look at my ingredients. I've got some roast beef, some beef broth, I've got some rolls, and we love mustard and we love horseradish in our house, so this one's extra spicy. It was so good. And then alongside it, I have some pepper jack cheese for my husband and some these like crinkle cut fries that I'm going to cook in my air fryer. It couldn't be simpler to put together, and let me show you how I did that. After I'm done toasting my buns, I will put some pepper jack cheese on my husband's plate, and then once my beef broth comes to a boil, I will take the rare roast beef and dip it in the beef broth, and it makes it so yummy and drippy and delicious. And then I will serve a little bit on the side, and this was so good. It was done in like 20 minutes. Couldn't be easier. I put some deli mustard for my husband and regular just yellow mustard for me. And kids score, my kids didn't like this. They had Costco pizza, but that's okay. They were fed is best. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you've made it this far, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.